Guys, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to some more Survivalcraft. Just chilling here. I can't believe, guys, I had the worst day. Nah, I'm just kidding. It's terrible. I was chilling. Okay, it wasn't school. I'm gonna tell you what happened while we build the house. And it's a dark one. Oh. The bitch is gonna knock me off. Fuck! Now I'm just gonna. I wasn't trying to fight the kid. Okay, so what happened was, look. What happened was I got into a fight in school and I sort of got in not my graduation. I got my field day taken away, and why it happened was because this kid, like this kid in my school, and he's like be making fun of everyone. He be getting everybody in trouble, and then what else? So I basically he got me in trouble today, and we got one of my old friends in trouble because me and my old friend fought because of him. Because he told my old friend that I was like talking shit. It was all of a lie. It wasn't real. It was basically like not true. And then that's what happened. Lately, you suck up. Dick. They were putting CU again in school. For graduation, they had to play CU again. I don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow. I mean, it's a good thing I defended myself, but still. I just hate how I got the field day taken away. I'm not gonna go to school, so I'm not gonna. No. And plus, also beating him up just because he says I leaked my muscle memory. He showed it to everybody, but he only showed it to one of his friends. So I just got mad and I just did that. Nah, no, no, no. Let me shut up with that song. That I got in trouble because of him. Nah, I just say how we get in trouble. If she doesn't come, I'm a. Damn, they killed that wolf. You know what? Fuck. Screw it. I'm gonna eat her fries. I don't care if I get in trouble. She ain't coming home. I'm gonna eat her fries. Let her get mad. Sister isn't coming back. I'm just gonna eat her cheese fries. Bro, cheese fries are actually really good. Bro, cheese fries they ain't gonna be good. They ain't gonna be good. Marco, see, are you a snake? Put up. Since she ain't coming back, I'm gonna eat all her fries. What she said? I'm gonna eat her fries.
Oh, you're serious?
Uh-huh.
Stop! Ooh, you want to get dragged right now.
L. At least let me have one piece. Let me have at least a fry.
If your friend didn't do the beating, I will.
Cause we ain't wasting food.
She's literally almost home.
Tell her to hurry up, bro. I don't have a fork. You smacked me, bro. It didn't hurt. Nah, cause I seriously, like, then why'd you make me bring the fork time? Have. In the wrong world.
Come to the recording.
I was. Sister's getting mad at freaking sister's getting mad at me because I stole her fries. Lisa's gonna wanna fight me because I stolen her fries. I am gonna be the victim.
No, you're not.
I was the victim of the fight because I didn't started it. He didn't really start it. It was Jose. It was that little kid that started it. He was the one that made me. He was the one that made the. We were cool. Me and Adrian were like chill. And we were actually being nice to each other. Snow kiddo. Lalise looks like the girl from the Scary Maze room. He's so sexy. Because I told him like, I told that little Jose to the fight, if they get to see me one more time, he's gonna do that. I wish I could see Matthews. Matthews is a... I can't see. Matthews is a... They never had that FPS in the game. I'm glad they had the performance in the game. Bro, and what's the worst part is that I made everybody's autograph thing taken away. They couldn't do the autograph like book thing, like where you like sign people's names.
That's not.
They couldn't do that because of my fault.
That's not.
L.
I'm pissed off you did that.
I gave y'all L's. I wasn't gonna flex because if I'd done that, I would have given jumped. Alfonso doesn't act gay. He doesn't act gay as much. And plus, that Asian kid, you know what he did? He told the girl to slap me. And I was actually pissed. I was like, oi! ¿Dónde? ¿Cómo que Tornado? Ah, está en Indiana. Damn, Indiana's having a tornado. Nelly, I wanna cover myself with a blanket. I actually don't want to go to school because of that. I just got Mr. Cortez and Coco would have been like, Cortez, a fight! Pussy. I just haven't got my. At least I don't have to. I could go to school, but I just don't want to miss the practice rehearsal. I could go to school late. Oh yeah, I can't be late. I forgot because of the rehearsal. Now right now I'm just trying to So Lily, where you put the cheese fries? You better hurry up. Papa, I wasn't trying to fight. Because if I did, I would have gotten in trouble. I'm not getting in trouble. I should have not been into Jose. Oh, I got everybody. I kind of was, but I was just joking. I was just messing around. Oh, okay. It was a good part that at least I fought, but still. Hopefully that chick will live right and I go to school tomorrow. I wasn't even trying to fight Adrian. I was just trying to. I should have just let myself get bullied like that. I was about to tell you if I. Raise as it. Anyway, because of that shit, I may just end a video here right now. I'm just gonna. I don't know, I'm just gonna make I'll finish making the roof. Right now we're just chilling and playing. We're just adding the bulls to the house and the boars and the ostriches. So yeah, thanks so much, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hope you guys like the video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment below. So yeah, thanks so much, you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out. For Call of Duty. Peace out.